Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I already made one video of me putting up the bird tape, but that was on the side yard and it was really hard to show you the full procedure, the full method that I use. So now I'm in the backyard because the tape worked in the side yard, but all it did was move the birds around to another side of the house. So I'm putting up some more tape where they're roosting, whatever you call it, birds do up there on that ledge above the window. And I got one more to go, so I'll show you. I've got a little rig you'll see that I have so that I can roll the tape off on the right side of my my pants, my shorts, and then I've got the staple gun hooked on the left side. I really should have switched it the other way around so I wouldn't have to pass the staple gun from left to right. But anyway, I'm not going to change it now. So here's my ladder climb. It's second story, 24-foot ladder. So it's, when I reach up there, it's probably 30 feet. And this is a little bit like watching a car race and waiting for the wreck, right? You might see me fall, but I don't think that's going to happen. Anyway, here we go. Show you how I put up the bird tape. Get that out of the way. Cross your fingers. Just a couple things I'll point out to you on this bird tape project. The tapes will actually blow up and get stuck on the roof, but it's only for a little while, and then the wind will blow again and they'll come down. So that doesn't really matter that much unless they got permanently stuck up there. But I have a pole, and I have a long pole that I can get up there and maybe loosen them up if I need to. The other thing is on the ladder technique. What I was taught is keep your hands on the sides of the ladder. Don't put your hands on the rungs of the ladder generally. That way you can slide your hands up the sides of the ladder, and you're never not touching the ladder with your hands. If you have to, if you use the rungs, then you're letting go of the ladder with one of your hands every time you move it to a new rung. And yeah, I'm slow, so you can put a comment down there, boy, Froggy, you're slow climbing up and down that ladder, but I'm old too, so there you go. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.